Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get free traffic for CPA marketing. If you are interested in CPA marketing, then you should watch this full video. I have recently made this website and I have inserted CPA link on this website. CPA link is accepting Android users in the US only. If you don't know how to make website and how to insert CPA link on this website, then after watching this video you can watch my previous video. You can check link in the description. In this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step strategy to get free traffic for CPA marketing. Before we start, I want you to please subscribe our channel and like this video. You can go on Google and you can search here Locanto USA. You can click here to open this URL. Guys, this is the best and most popular advertising platform. Here you can see most popular places. There are a lot of places. You can choose any of this place. Here you can see Locanto platform is getting more than 3 million visitors monthly. If you will advertise your website on this platform, then you can get lots of visitors from United States. You do not need to worry about any kind of investments. You can advertise your website in free. First of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can click on login button. Now click on register button. You can type here your email address and then you can click on register now button. You can also continue with Google. I have already created account on this platform. I'm going to log in. Once you will create successfully your account, it will then take you to this page. You can click on post free ad button. Now you can type your title. You can click on next button. You can select your category. You can select category according to your CPA offer. Now you can type your description. You can go on your Google site. You can copy this text. You can go on Locanto platform and you can paste here that text. Now you can add here your website URL. You can go on your Google site. You can click on this link icon. You can click here to copy this website URL. Go on Locanto platform and paste your website URL. Click on next button. Now you can add your image. This image will help you to get more visitors. Click on next button. Now you can paste here your website URL. Click on next button. You can select your city. Click on next button. Okay, after completing it, you can click on post your ad button. Here you can see two types of packages, plus package, pro package. If you want to get more visitors on your website, then you can select any of these packages. You can also advertise your website in free. You can click on proceed button. Yeah, here we go. As you can see, well done. Your ad will be online in few minutes. Click on go to my ads button. Here is showing my advertisement. Click here to view this advertisement. Here is showing image. Here is showing title. And here is showing clickable text. When any person will click on this text, then they will be redirected on my Google site. When people from United States click on this button using Android device, then they will be redirected on the CPA offers landing page. You can advertise your website every day on this platform. Using this platform, you can get free traffic for CPA marketing. You can also share your website on Facebook group, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, and all social media platforms to get more visitors. If you are interested in CPA marketing, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video, and also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.